Our sympathies go out to everyone in Hawaii who are affected by one of the deadliest U.S. wildfires in 100 years.
Help is coming in Maui, where wildfires have left a deadly trail of destruction and devastation. The American Red Cross has volunteers on the ground and says more are on the way.
Currently 220 trained disaster responders on the scene, 7 of whom are local trained disaster responders who are working as teams to provide food, shelter, and emotional support to families in need.
Those local volunteers coming from the DMV and Delaware. Stephanie Babiak with the American Red Cross National Capital and Chesapeake region calls it an all-hands-on-deck situation.
We have about 1,300 new folks who have signed up to volunteer and who are being trained to get ready, who have indicated they would want to help as well. So this is kind of an all-hands situation.
Volunteers are working in teams to provide food, shelter, and emotional support to families in need. Babiak says they're also working with officials across all the Hawaiian Islands.
The Red Cross keeps supplies pre-positioned on the islands so that we're able to help these people immediately. And then we are working with the local authorities. There is a shelter now set up on Maui and Oahu, and the Oahu shelter is helping visitors, tourists, and those evacuees from Maui.
She says volunteers are working around the clock, and part of those efforts include trying to connect people with their missing loved ones.
We can work with our teams on the ground and local officials to possibly get some word for folks who have not been able to connect with people, because, as you say, communication is difficult right now and people are in different areas.
The Red Cross says in order to connect you with your loved ones, you can give them a call at 1-800-RED-CROSS and select option 4. Follow the prompts then to Hawaii wildfires. From the 11 News newsroom, I'm Janine Donaldson for WBAL TV 11 News.